Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last month in July, about a month ago, I posted a video that there was a new update for the Paint app, which is rolling out to the insiders in the beta channel. And Microsoft was introducing support for the main improvement being dark mode, improvements to the zoom controls, image properties that match the look and feel of Windows 11 and a lot more. Now, just to let you know, that Microsoft now has started rolling out the update for the Paint app to the stable version now. So everyone now is getting the Paint app, be that in the Insider program or if you are running the stable version of Windows 11. Now, this is not rolling out for Windows 10, only Windows 11 at this stage. And as you can see, mine was modified today. I received the update today for the Paint app, although I have been running a dark mode for quite some time, which I did post on previously, how I managed to get the Paint app before it rolled out to the stable version. But nonetheless, Paint with dark mode now rolling out for everyone with Windows 11 and can be downloaded from the Microsoft Store. Now, I have been posting on this previously and when it was still in beta. I'll leave that video down below, but just a quick recap for the purpose of today's video, if this is the first time that you are seeing the new Paint app. Now, over and above dark mode support, obviously, it does bring a couple of other improvements. And first of all, if we head up to the new settings, open settings, here we can obviously change the system setting, which mine is set to dark, to light, preset dark, and then your system setting, which once again in my case is dark. And the latest version and build you need to be running to get these improvements that we'll talk about today and dark mode is version 11.2304.30.0. So you have to be on that version to get these improvements. Now, over and above dark mode support, we also get improved zoom controls, which I actually found very handy since I've been using this new Paint app. So you can fine tune using the slider as an example. You've got a couple of presets here, so you go from 800 right down to 12.5. I'm just going to keep it at 100. And then obviously, yeah, you get this fit to window, which I actually found very handy. I almost use this fit to window in Paint on a day-to-day basis. And over and above the dark mode support, which I really enjoy, I would say that this new fit to window toggle, for me personally, is one of the most important improvements with this new Paint app that I do find personally a very handy feature. Now, over and above the improved zoom controls, they've also improved and upgraded the properties dialog with improved UI and visuals to match the look and feel of Windows 11. So as an example, if we head to File, Image Properties, there we go. So this has also now been updated and upgraded, your image properties dialog and menu to match the look and feel of Windows 11. And the last key highlight to mention for today's video with the new Paint app is you also get keyboard shortcut and access keyboard support for accessibility and better accessibility with the new Paint app. But nonetheless, the new Paint app, as mentioned, now rolling out to all Windows 11 users. If you've not seen it as yet in the Microsoft Store, just be patient because it may get to your region on a controlled phased rollout. But nonetheless, that dark mode support with those improved zoom controls now rolling out to the stable version of Windows 11. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.